Yung chairman ng kanilang bangko, na he is very, very sorry kasi yung mga packages na binigay ko, pinadala sa marketing, sabi daw ng marketing sa kanila, walang return value. No? I mean, in terms of marketing. Kasi nga naman, anong return value ng conference, ng convention? Anong return value sa kanila ng poll watching? Unless bibit-bitin nila yung pangalan ng bangko, which I will not allow, no? Kailangan PPCRB. So, wala raw revenue value. Kaya, nag-apologize siyang maigi kasi sabi daw ni Mr. D, personal donation na lang niya. Nako, inisip ko na, nabagsak lahat yung spirit ko. Siguro ito mga 100,000. Okay na. Pero sabi ko naman, okay God, anything you send is okay. Nung binigay sa akin yung cheque ng kanilang chairman, 1 million. Eh di 2 million na lang hahanapin ko, 2.5, no? Nagdadasal ako na yung bangkong pinuntahan namin, kahit na equal man lang doon, paunti ng paunti. I tell you this because, as I said, God never leaves you, no? The charity is also, the charity you practice is also the drawing power for that charity to be multiplied. Maganda ho yung Lenten message ni Pope ngayon eh. Ang sabi, believing in charity calls forth charity. No? If we multiply the love of God, we are also the recipients of that love. So, it is an author who once rightfully claimed, moral energy is a most powerful force on earth, which flows most often and most fully from the chambers of the human mind, of the human heart. PPCRB banks on that moral force to carry our electorate from indifference and selfish need to responsible voting and community solidarity. At alam niyo po, to inspire you again, kasi parang ganun na nangyayari eh. Laging every election time, nagbebeg po kami sa PPCRB. Kasi lahat kailangan, syempre, pera din para itulak yon. Yung command center natin, kung tayo ang maglalagay ng server, would cost about 5 million. Wala namang kitang 5 million para ilagay yung, kasi powerful enough the server to get the election returns from, the election results from the PCOS machines direct to COMELEC, direct to us. PLDT is shouldering the putting up of our server. Entirely. Aside from the fact na bibigyan pa rin kami ng all the components na kailangan for that transfer of election results. Walang hinihingi in return. Hindi ako hinihinga na exclusive ang TV5. None. Because sinabi ko naman kay Mr. Pangilinan, I cannot be exclusive for anything because we have to be all in all for everyone and for all. You understand that? Yes, sabi niya, because this is also our response to corporate social responsibility. Kaya sabi ko na lang lagi dun sa nagmamagandang loob, but I promise you prayers for the rest of my life. Kaya ho ngayon, pahaba ng pahaba yung mga pinagdadasal ko. Aside from pagdadasal ko sa inyong mga kaparian. And then, one more other item, please pray. Tomorrow, I am meeting with, Air 21. Air 21 at saka yung Mail and More ba yun? Mail and More. Kasi, yung pagpadala sa atin naman, nung mga envelopes for the fourth copy of the election return, padadala yon by mail. Ang hinihingi ko, libre na lang ipadala sa atin at saka sila maglagay ng tao sa bawat diocese na mag-gather nitong envelopes na ito. Isa pa, hihingin ko rin na yung wiring, kayo, mga radio kayo, alam nyo yan, yung wiring ng 100 computers na papahiram sa atin ng KBP, kung saan natin ibabash, kung saan natin i-check yung fourth copy ng election return as against the election results we get from the server, kailangan pag-compare yun kung tama, kung pareho, kung tutugma. Ang magwa-wire nun, ayun, hinihingi ko rin kay Mr. Bert Lina. Kasi mahal po eh. Akala ko noon, basta may electrician, kakabit-kabit yan. Hindi pala pwede yon. Kasi last time, it cost about 200,000 just to complete the wiring. Marami hong kailangan eh. Nakala natin, madali lang, no? Yung ganon. At yung pagkain din, to maintain our volunteers for at least a week. Kasi we have to be on for 3 weeks eh. But ang very vital, yung before elections, during elections, and after elections, 1 whole week yon or 10 days, yung pagkain po, meron na ring sumagot. No? Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, talagang wow si God. No? Of course, kailangan pa natin ng some 9 million for all the other